If you are looking to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing without any huge following, then this video is for you. With this free strategy that I'm going to reveal in this video, you do not need any big following. You only need 100 200 people to make your first $1,000. And the best part is you do not even need any funnels, website, emails for this strategy or to write long blog posts that took so much time to get result. It's a three-step strategy. In the step one, I will share with you how you are going to find profitable products that will pay you big commission. Also, I will reveal one of the highly profitable product that you can start promoting. In step two, you will learn how to derive quality traffic for free to the affiliate products. And in the step 3, you will learn how you can make money using the DM feature on Instagram, Facebook, depends on the platform you are using. Now, this strategy would not work if you missed any of these steps. So, let's start with the step 1. First, I will tell you the criteria how to choose the right and profitable products. Then, I will share with you where and how you can find profitable products. So, this is the criteria that I follow always whenever I have to decide whether the product I will going to promote or not. So first I always choose product that pays 30 to 50% commission. So make sure always choose products that pays you 30 to 50% commission. Another category you can choose softwares that I love to promote because they pay you recurring commission every single month. So some of the examples of softwares like ClickFunnels, Funnel Freedom, Get Response. Another criteria which I always look up to high ticket upsell. So if I start with the low ticket product, let's say you are just promoting right now $7, $19 product, but I make sure in their value ladder they must have a high ticket upsell, something like $500, $1,000 product. So that even if I am promoting low ticket product, but there is a chance that people who love the low ticket product, they can buy the high ticket product and I will make the high ticket commission. Also, this is very important. Always make sure to promote valuable product. Always partner with the legit company that create valuable product that actually deliver result to your customers. Because if you are promoting a product that is not great, that is not good, not providing any value, once people buy from you, but then they would not buy any other product from you. If you are promoting a product that is not good, people doesn't like that product, you even also don't like that product, but you are just promoting that product to make money. One time people will going to buy that product because they trust you, but in the long run they will get to know, okay, this person is not promoting valuable product, this just promoting products to make money, so it will going to harm your image, your brand. So don't do that. Always make sure to promote product that you use for yourself. Now I will tell you where you can find the product. So one of the simple method is you can go to ClickBank. So this is one of the affiliate network, ClickBank. I'm sure most of the people know about the ClickBank. So you can go to ClickBank and find the product you can start promoting. First go to just type clickbank.com and create your free account. So I'm going to log in into my account. So once you log in your account, you can see lot of tons of category on the ClickBank like arts and entertainment, business, investing, cooking, food, wine, e-business, marketing, education. You can choose any category in which you are interested in. You want to promote the product like health and fitness, home and garden, and then you choose a sub niche also subcategory like spiritual health, strength training, women's health, nutrition, in which you are interested in. Just choose one and click on that. You will find different products that you can choose one product. As I just make sure the product you are choosing follow the criteria that I told you before. That will help you to choose a right product and more profitable product. So make sure to choose a product that pays you at least $50 commission. This product will pay you $89 commission, so it's a paying good commission on every single sale. So this is the one of the method you can find a product. If you don't want to go with this, there is another method. You can go to Google and type your niche plus high ticket affiliate program. So like my niche is affiliate marketing, and then I added high ticket affiliate program. So you will find lots of products here. Then you can do your research and find a good profitable product that you can start promoting. Now, if you don't want to do the hard work, you want me to tell you a profitable product that you can start promoting today, and that matches the criteria I told you before. So I have a product, 72-hour challenge by Jonathan Montoya, one of my mentor. From I have been learning how to build affiliate marketing business. So you can copy and paste the whole system. So I am also promoting this product, and this is one of the great product that I have found. Literally, you can just copy and paste complete seven-figure business. Best part is they have a complete system that will going to promote 15 plus product, and you will make commission out of all those 15 plus product, and those 15 product include low ticket product softwares that will pay you recurring commission every single month. They also have a high ticket product, so you will get commission from the low ticket, from the recurring products. Also, you will get high ticket commission from the high ticket product. Another best thing about this product is they give you everything. They will give you funnels, emails, and lead magnet, free course to build your audience, so you don't need to spend time on all of those things. You can just directly start working on the traffic part. Also, they have a sales team, so they will going to sell the high ticket product for you, because in starting I understand you don't have those skills, those sales skills. They will give you, they have a sales team. They will going to sell, like if a person join the 72-hour challenge, then their sales team will going to connect with your leads, and they will sell their high ticket affiliate program to your leads. If someone from your leads will going to buy those high ticket products, and you will going to make commission out of that, and you don't even do the selling part. I have personally joined their high ticket program also. That's why I have learned all the skills. They actually teaching all the skills that you need to build a business, that you can leverage those skills in another business as well, so that like lead generation and all of these, creating content, all of these skills. So I will put the link of this challenge in the description box. You can check out the challenge if you want to start promoting the product. So once you find the profitable product, your next step will be to generate high quality traffic to the affiliate product. Now, to make money, you have to combine step 2 with the step 3. If you miss the step 3, step 2 also would not going to work. In the step 2, I will share with you the fastest way to generate traffic. And right now, Reels are the fastest way to generate traffic. I will share with you the framework that got me 1.7 million views and 15,000 followers in less than 30 days. So there are three things that are very important while you are creating Reels. First is your idea, second hook, third your content. Let's talk about first idea. You need to play little smart over here. You need to find ideas that people, your audience, are looking for, that they're already interested in. And for that, how you can find those ideas? Just make a list of 10, 20, 30, 40 viral reels in your niche, or you can take inspiration from other niche as well. And that's how you will get to know, because those reels are viral because people are already interested in those ideas, people are already watching those videos. When you create a list of all those videos, note down ideas of all those reels. Now you have a list of all those ideas that your audience are already interested in, so your chance to get viral, to get good views. Next is hook. Your hook is very important. If your hook is not good, then people will just going to scroll, no one will going to watch your video. So when you creating a list of all those viral reels, you need to analyze the hook part on what kind of hook they have been using, what kind of structure they have in their videos, because it's not like something you just sit on the chair and you will start getting ideas. No, once you analyze 20, 30 videos, when you create the 20, 30 videos by taking inspiration from other reels, you will start getting understanding, okay, this is how you should create content, and this is the fastest way to create reels. Otherwise you will get in that zone, you will stuck, okay, what, how I will create reels, on which topic should I create reels, why my reels are not getting views, because you are not using the right strategy, you are not using the hook in the starting. These are the things very important. Then content part. Now don't add so much content in your reel. Just make it very simple, just one idea per reel. Or you can divide your reel into steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, so that it will be easy for people to understand. Then after that, at the end, there will be a call to action. So it can be, if what's the purpose you want to achieve, what the goal you have that you want to achieve with that reel. You want people to follow you, put the follow to learn affiliate marketing, follow for to learn quit your job, follow for to learn build second source of income, follow for to learn lose weight. Or if you are building your community, you want to give them your lead magnet free training PDF, you can tell them comment a specific word to grab my free training, grab my free course. This is what the most call to action right now people are using. I have been also using this call to action, and this is where you are going to make money. When you tell people to comment a specific word on your reel, and when people will going to comment on your reel, then you will send them a DM, you will start a conversation with them. That is the step 3 where you will going to make money. So you will send them a DM to the people, to all the people who commented on your reel, and you will give them your lead magnet, whatever it can be, free PDF, ebook, checklist, whatever you're offering them. That will help you to build your authority and trust. So you are not just selling them in the first message. Then you will going to start a conversation, and for that I use a simple framework that helped me to made $4,000 till now with the affiliate marketing and my coaching business. And I am going to share that simple DM framework with you. So this is the simple framework that I have used till now to close all my affiliate sales. Now I don't suggest you to use it word by word. You can take the framework and you can apply, you can change the questions, change the language that makes it coming from you. It should not feel like robotic that you have copied from someone else. So as I told you, when people will going to comment the specific word you told them to comment on your reel. So after that, I send them a DM, hey, their name. I saw you commented on yes, or whatever the comment, whatever the word on my reel. Is it okay if I send you the free training, free course, whatever you are giving them? Once they reply to you, yes, then send the training. You are not going to sell them anything. Then you will build your rapport first. You will get to know a little bit about them. So, like, from where are you, what you do. So, this is for to build some genuine relationship. Then you will need to know what's their current situation. So, do you have any idea about affiliate marketing? So, these are the some questions that you can use to know their current situation. These questions specifically I use when a beginner came to me to learn about affiliate marketing. These questions can be different according to your audience. So, do you have any idea about affiliate marketing? How long you have been doing affiliate marketing? If they have already affiliate marketing business, and if they want to start affiliate marketing, just to know whether they are serious or not, is there any specific reason for starting affiliate marketing business, how much they have made earlier, to know their experience. So these are the kind of questions. It's not like I ask them in order, it's different from every conversation. You need to check the converse for flow of the conversation. Basic point is you need to know current situation, what's the current situation they have, then what's their desired plan, what's their goal, what's their next plan. So like how much what's the expectation they have with the affiliate marketing, how much income goal, revenue goal they want to achieve in the next 3 to 5 months, so that I know whether I can help this person or not. Don't like just make it an interrogation, just ask this question without out of curiosity, that you actually want to know about the about that person. Now, once you know their current situation, desired situation, then you need to know, find out the problem. What's stopping them to achieve their goal? Like if they want to start affiliate marketing, but they have not started yet. But why? Because they don't know the complete process. Or maybe they have started, but they have not getting sales. when you ask them questions related to problem, you will find because they have not using right strategy to generate traffic, they are not able to generate quality leads, and then you will know whether I can help this person or not. Now once you know what problem they are facing, what's stopping them to achieve their goals, now if you can help them to achieve their goals, then you can just tell them, I can show you how can I help you to achieve your goal, like to start your affiliate marketing business, to make your first $1,000, or to generate quality traffic. Then you can connect on a call, or if you don't want to go on a call, you can send them a video and explaining how you can help that person. You can send affiliate link. I have made $4,000 using this simple framework. You can also use this framework. Now, if you want to learn how to generate unlimited traffic to your affiliate products, then click here and watch this video. And if you find this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.